Miracles of Science, Class 4. Unit 4, Matter and its Characteristics. Page number 66. True, false. Molecules is the smallest particle of matter.
False.
Gas has a fixed shape.
False.
Liquids cannot be squashed or compressed.
True.
Metals are strong and easy to shape.
True.
A water molecule is formed of hydrogen and oxygen atoms.
True.
Question number 3. Name the process by which ice changes to water. Melting.
Melting.
Water changes into ice. Freezing.
Freezing.
Liquid water changes into water vapor on heating. Evaporation.
Evaporation.
Make list of the solids, liquids and gases you see every day. Solids: rock, TV, cape. Liquids: water, juice, milk, tea, coffee. Gases: air, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, H2O यानी water. Page number 67. Question number 5. Write the 3 properties of a solid. Fixed shape, volume, cannot be compressed. A liquid fixed volume, can flow, can be poured. Poured, spelling mistake. A gas takes shape of container, can be compressed, no weight.